How to add or link a bank account to your Mint. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a bank account to your Mint. So to do that, first of all, open the Mint app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Mint account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the plus icon which is near the top right side of the screen. After that, it will basically provide you three different options. Tap on the third one, which is account, and once you've done that, it'll provide you a list of all of the different bank accounts provided by Mint. So you can simply go through all of them and then choose the one which is your account. So tap on the option show more, and once you find your bank account, tap on it. After that, you'll have to log into your bank account over here by simply entering your username and your password. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully added your bank account to your Mint account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.